What's the holdup? Why, it's a preacher, Percy.
Sorry about that there, Parson, but we're a little too far off to catch that there caller.
Is there anything we can do for you, Reverend?
Either you boys ever heard of a town called Castle Walk?
Why, yeah, it's in Arizona.
Sure ain't much of a town, though.
How far is it from here?
Oh, about 150 miles.
It's over yonder in that direction.
How's your church attendance been lately, boys? You boys see that branch over there?
Yes, sir.
That was four for the Lord, boys. He loves you, but he hates your profession.
Yeah, I can see how I would.
I want you boys to go and sin no more.
We surely won't, Parson.
As soon as we can afford not to. Preacher, you being so good with that gun and all, how come you didn't just kill us as we was riding up here?
Because you boys are children of the Lord, just as much as I am. For the time is at hand when you will hear of wars and rumors of wars. Be not afraid, for this must first take place. Nations will rise against nations, kingdoms against kingdoms. Not a hair on your hair, or a hair on your head will perish. And I quote Luke chapter 21, verse Luke chapter 21 and verse 23. For there shall be great distress in the land, wrath upon his people.
Look, do I have to keep on calling you Reverend?
Oh, no, call me Ernie.
Ernie?
My full name's Frank Ernest Fleming. All my good friends, they call me Ernie.
Is there anything in your faith against marriage?
No, it's not my faith. Look, Sally, sit down. This conversation isn't going in exactly the direction I planned. I mean, you know, marriage is just fine. I was real glad that my parents believed in it. But, there's other things, too. You don't know what I'm talking about, do you?
I know what you're talking about.
Let's see.
Bos, the big deal was. Hey, the big deal. Look at the dinner, right? Lagi? Right, the big day mo dia, the big day. Big day. Oy, ma'am, the big day, ma'am. Undat kayo sa ma'am, kailangan ka ng love story, nasa musical, comedy, na action.
Sakto ko lang, gila ay jukis balay. Pila mo na?
Tulo 100. Ma'am, DVD, ma'am, DVD.
Dili lang.
Ma'am, nindot kayo ng mga salida, ma'am. Lingaw gid mong pamilya ni. So ayan man to pa salida, ma'am.
Dili lang unsa mo ka mamugos man kana nga di mo ko ganahan ana. Bawa diha.
Billy, can we get in position? Flip a coin. When it hits the ground, go to our guns, all right? All right. Jake? One of us is going to die, and it's not going to prove a thing. Sure it is, Hank. I'll prove which one of us is a fool to call himself a gunfighter. Are you hit? You? You ever missed from this distance before? Never. Neither.
Kailan kay kwarta dira?
Dira lang oh.
Kinira?
Sus, mingaw kayo eh. Origin akong halin ron. Lang, ang sisudan diha.
Wala.
Wala di ka nagluto.
Unsa may luto na ko nga nahurot naman ang kwarta?
Asam dito kung gihatag ni mo katong gapon ug ningking adlaw.
Gibayad na ko sa tubig ug kuryente.
Unsa gibayad sa kunting tubig nga human naman akong bayad. Surubuan naman sa ting bayad. Ikaw ba? Ano gusto tinuod? Unsa may gigastuhan mo sa kwarta?
Kel, babae sad ko ha. Na ako'y mga panginahanglan. Tanan nimo para sa ning bagong makeup ug bag.
Imo rang yurot imong kwarta na imong para pagwapa? Ang bata ni kao na. Ikaw na kanak. Ikaw ha? Di lang uri ka naong og kwarta no? Perti na tong trabaho. Nga ika di ka mamutigom. Unahon ra na imong online shopping.
Iko,
Imong bat, imong anak way kaon.
Iko ha? Uy, ilagin ko! Pahawa dire! Pahawa! Layas! Kunahan ka magtawag na akong polis? Layas! Huwag kayo nagbalik diri ha? Layas!
All right, pull up. This is a holdup.
Ang tugma natak na karon kay alas 5:30 sa hapon. Para sa gabagang balita niining adlaw, adunay usa ka kabos na lalaki nga ning viral sa social media. Para sa dugang nga detalye, ania si Glenn Perez sa report. Glenn?
So ania dita karon diri sa R. Duterte Street, Banawa, Cebu City. Kundi na to makita ning usa ka kabos nga lalaki nga ni viral sa social media. Matod pa sa mga lumulupyo, o daw kini si Michael Trinidad, usa ka mamaligay og DVD.
Sa among naibaw-an, mamaligyahin na si Michael og mga DVD. Naibong na lang mi nga dili na siya muli sa ilaha. Amo pong dungog nga gipapalayas na siya siyang asawa.
So, amo na siya kaon. Iyak ko na siya mo sa rehab center. 6 months. Kapin. Depende kung kung sa siya ma-recover.
Anong time mo ya? Kampir,
What's up, yo?
Wala, mingan mo siya video. Ay, tuwa na! Una!
Hear wars and rumors of wars. Nations will rise against nations. Kingdoms against kingdoms. Usol! 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 Uy! Uy! Ayun mo! Uy! Uy!
Sa pagkakaroon aniya sa maayong kahimtang si Michael sa rehab center ug nagpaayo sa iyang kaugalingon. Mao kini si Glenn Perez para sa BLS News.
Blessings on you,
Well,
Reverend.
thank you.
Ernie, do I know you?
No, I don't think so.
And how come you know me?
Because I know every preacher in this part of the country, and you're not one of them. And I've been hearing about a gunfighter named Ernie Parsons and some interesting goings-on in a town called Castle Walk.
Now, don't believe everything you hear, Reverend.
Oh, I don't. That's why I'm on my way to Castle Walk right now, to investigate these wonderful stories.
Maybe you should get them a real preacher now.
They seem very happy with the one they had.
They had a gunfighter, not a preacher.
God moves in mysterious ways.
You boys sure do hammer away at that phrase, don't you? You really going to Castle Walk?
I sure am.
When you get there, would you give these to a girl named Sally Underwood? Tell her they're just from an unknown admirer that thinks certain girls should have a trip to Phoenix, even if they don't get married.
All right.
Uy! Bobo! Uy! Uy! Uy, utog ito! Bobo! Oh, no, no.